benefit of being in an acting workshop is that you don't have to wait until you're 18. If you are like a teen actor, or if you want to be a child actor, you can start these acting workshops when you're young. Hello, thespians! Welcome to another episode of the series that I'm calling Chasing Acting with me, Ralabo Khapetlele. As you do know, I'm on a journey of trying to become an actress in South Africa, and I've been learning quite a few things which I thought I should share with you, the population, those people that are interested or know of other people that are interested in pursuing a career in acting. So if you're one of those people, make sure that you do click that subscribe button, like, comment, tell me about what you're doing to pursue acting, how it's been so far. I would love and appreciate those comments in the comment section. So in today's episode, we are going to be talking about acting training. It's part 2 of last week's episode where I was talking about the institutions where you can get acting training, but today I'm going to talk about places where you can go for classes, because sometimes we might not have enough money to afford the bigger institutions such as VETS, UCT. We can't just afford to go to acting workshops or acting classes, or we are just too busy to pursue to go and get a degree in acting. So they still carry as the same weight as long as you have training. This is what is attractive towards agents. Agents are looking for people that have acting training, and that's how you get to be a part of one of the biggest agencies in South Africa. So one of the things that you do learn when you enroll for acting class or go to acting school is that you get to learn some acting methods, right? I haven't gotten into that yet. I will post a video soon about different acting methods that you can read about, and it's important that you find the acting method that works for you, right? So in the meantime, because I haven't posted that video yet, make sure that you look into my description box. I have a list of books that you can read that are different acting methods, such as Ivana Chubak, the method acting, the Meisner technique. Make sure that you do use my link on Amazon, as I'm an Amazon associate, and make sure that you click on that link and use that link to get yourself an ebook that you can start reading today. Okay, yes, you can order a hard copy, but it's just gonna take some time, and you want to get started reading today. So make sure that you do use my link, please, and get yourself a copy of one of the acting methods that you can start learning today. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you, or rather like just give a list of the different institutions, or rather workshops and acting classes that you can attend from today in South Africa that offer lessons. I'm going to talk about the fees, the alumni that has attended there, and what you can expect in terms of the modules. So without any further ado, let's get started. Johannesburg Academy for Theatre Arts is located in Johannesburg. Children, teens, and young adults can apply to this institution. You will learn acting, dance, and voice, and you will learn various acting methods. ACT Cape Town. Children, teens, and young adults can apply to this institution. There are short acting courses, 1 to 3 year courses, and higher certificates that you can obtain from this institution. There are various methods of acting that you can learn from this institution. There are some noticeable alumni from this academy, which include Lahasa Molloy, Maria Voss, and Jessica Sutton. The Method Acting Center is located in Pretoria, and there you will learn the Stanford Meisner acting technique. Defi Mupaisa is an alumni from this acting institution. Next is Matt Dern Drama Studio, which is located in Roodepoort. Children, teens, and young adults can apply to this institution. You will learn various acting methods. It is owned by the famous Matt Stern himself. Helen O'Grady is a young learners only institution for weekly and holiday drama programs. There are multiple branches of this institution, which are in Cape Town, Durban, East London, Johannesburg, Pietermaritzburg, PE, Pretoria, and Midrand. You can study a full-time and a part-time course at the Market Theatre Laboratory. They train actors, directors, writers, and theatre makers. You can study courses from 1 to 2 years. At the African Academy of Cinematic Arts, there's a 1-year acting for television course, which is also a full-time course, which you'll have to study for on a full-time basis. Lastly, Actor Spaces Academy offers 4-month acting workshop, which they advertise for on their social media platforms, and they offer different acting techniques. Right, that wraps up my list of the different workshops. There's probably plenty more out there, but just perform like a Google search or something. But these are the best that I came across, and make sure that you do sign up for one if you are looking for an acting workshop. One of the other benefits of being in an acting workshop is that you don't have to wait until you're 18. If you are like a teen actor, or if you want to be a child actor, you can start these acting workshops when you're young. If you have learned something from this video, please make sure that you subscribe, comment, and share. I would love to hear which acting workshop you go to. And in my next video, I'm going to talk about the different acting methods that you can acquaint yourself with. Remember that it's important to get your training if you want to become a very big, well-known, good actor or actress in South Africa and stand out, right? That's what you want to do. So many people are pursuing this career, and how do you stand out? By being the best, investing in yourself, investing in your education, knowing more than other people. That's what we are aiming to do right here on this channel. So make sure that you have subscribed, and if you have any questions, make sure that you do put it in the comment section. I will see you next time on my channel. It's bye for now.